SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra eno no enye yenko a ena ye fa kaseboni ebi wokọ SOMPA 93.1 eno ewo Kumasi a wo so e fa nsam ne bi ato apete e wo Adamfo pa radio e wo Paris France eno so e fa kaseboni bi doma 100.7 e wo doma hinkro enkranza SOMPA e 90.7 techiman e 106.1 FM Sunyan 98.9 ye konfinfi mantem so a Kingdom 106.1 FM e wo Mankesima wo so e fa bi Kanesh Urban Radio e wo Kaneshi Market ukọ decoder na so bebia FM stations ne wa o de wo search SOMPA FM wo behunu yen e wo ho ye stream live e wo Facebook any YouTube Facebook no e SOMPA Accra 106.5 live SOMPA Accra 106.5 live and a YouTube no so SOMPA FM live www.sompaonline.com e hon so kwa ya church nsem no dodo no a obetimi akọ na wakọ kenkan bie enwumre yemfa seda no Emma Midima for Herbal Center Dr. Time da so eno no wose yade bia ada so ache tete wo fabra enkran pokwase mayira anase kumase abua kwa agogo na wonye ho adwuma emfama 21st clinic sciatica expert enkran Tantra Hill runabout ho na obehunu yen ye branches no so de buburu Ghana half na ba bia okoho no mo ye behwe na sciatica yade no yetu ase e de ama Jaws bread and pastries for woman na akofa Jaws hot kinky aba edwaman so kinky na eda ho na wotwe kora na wotwe mienu amoton eno no ubetimi di ato ho no mo a eye Jaws hot kinky nti program bi a wo ye no odabi na yentimi embe serve wase na eniem nyina entimi nkoye eye 3 Ghana cedis pe eno eye wholesale price nyumekoyi adaroma ena yede hot bite kasiebo no ebremu midin ede AGYA ASARE na enenkomo a ye ba bedie no efa ewie yi kasiebo ahodo ye Free Environmental Protection Agency an authority kra ehonomo eba ye na nkomo anu wo mudi nyina ne se EPA fo se wo motaya ban achi gina ye a wo masi ede afa styrofoam take away packs ahodo no ho se ye dika amawate ase se nyame yadomo a afempinu ne aduru no nson January ne da edikan ena sa dwumadie no ebehase aban ebebane sa styrofoam take away packs na ye use wo no enti sa ban na eba no ye ka ni production no na ye ka importation say ye no wo Ghana ha o say ye di frama no ne na eba wo ye ka distribution say ye de ekoko shops ahodo ne mo mo betu ton ne ye keka ho nyina na afa ne ton se onu ne use no ankasa ne nyina eka ho bi sa form products no aban se nyame ya domo a January 1 2027 womo brasa enyoma ne nyina yusu ewo omayi emu eno na EPA fo nso ababechirum se womo tai aban na chi ewo sa agina ye no ho na ehwehwemu a EPA fo se womo aye ya eda di pefe ene se sa ban ya womo de be womo hu se food packaging dodo no a eye Ghana hanom sei empepi no wokọ edwaman so womo run restaurant womo ye choba ene womo tonton nnuane wo kwan ho dokonofo emofo obia ni ho no ma wo Ghana hanom a wonyusu take away pack ni bi nanse mu kura no wo mo se raba yi emwanti no wo mo ye se ne ye paper one yi kura ne ye de beba na eno no etimi aba beboa ma ne makoyi enso hwenkyeremu ya wo mo de bai de na kire se paper o se pack yo se raba o ni nyina no enya de a eboa enu nti na empinifo aye wo madwene se ene wo mo bebra kora se de be ya niema ebetimi akonkan entitew yenkwa ahoma ne so na ye ne Environmental Protection Authority empinifo panyi kwantrefo a oda human settlement no yene no enkwankodi nkomo Yera Hope Smith Lomote wono kora ne di kan be kire nsem no mu emo manfo enya wo ho ntiase na afenchemu fufo bi e wo no nso no wo de atoaso e de amaye kama opanyi Lomote enwumre wote yenka ye de wase ne mo akwaba eba SOMPA kase so.
Good evening, madam. Good evening to our listeners as well.
Good evening. Wadawroma enwumre ye da se ye bo wo punu mu no wabue yen. Empacho megidi se twi no we okay with it.
Oh, you can see.
Okay.
I will say the English.
All right.
Phones and these things.
Okay, that's okay. Inti empacho nkomo aye die no yate say EPA for mo through mo support efa aban gina ya wasi no ho e de afa styrofoam take away packs ya ye use yi generally yen hye enkomo no ankasa e de anamon e na aban epese wo ye a EPA for mo support yi.
Okay, thank you very much once again. So the government of Ghana and EPA for this matter, from the 1st of January 2027, we are banning styrofoam or polystyrene, what we colloquially call takeaway pack.
Okay.
The one with the white one, the one that we put the food inside. It has become so necessary. This is one of the single-use plastics that we are trying to phase out gradually from them because of its health implications, which is that we need to gradually phase styrofoam out and also be looking at takeaway the rubber plastics like this black polythene and the white polythene bags later. But from the 1st of January 2027, we are taking off from styrofoam or the takeaway packs because of the implications that it has. It has a lot of health implications.
Right.
When styrofoam gets in contact with heat or oil or acidic substances, it releases a lot of toxins that enters the food as you consume it. It affects the human body, thereby predispose you to a lot of cancer-causing agents. For that matter, it is of health concern. These styrofoams, they stay in the environment for a very long time. They can even stay for up to 500 years before they will disappear from the environment. They are not biodegradable. They don't decompose easily. For that matter, when you throw them away, they will find themselves in our drains and they will choke our gutters as well. Anytime we drain, it can cause flooding. These plastics or these styrofoams, because they don't decompose easily. And as they try to even break down little by little across the water course, they try to remain in the ecosystem. And at times they find themselves in the water bodies where marine life like the fishes also consume them. And it comes back to us on our table and we eat them because the microplastics don't decompose. They come back to our table and we eat them, and it's in the food chain, in the water and the food that we eat. So our investigation also revealed that microplastics have been found in placenta of some women, which is so alarming because it doesn't decompose, it doesn't degrade, it's not biodegradable. For that matter, we have reached a point that we need to phase it out gradually, and we can see the next phase of the phasing out. People also burn it. They just burn it. When you burn it, it releases a lot of toxins which are so harmful to the environment and human health. Somebody will burn it, it will affect the other person because air pollution doesn't know boundaries. It crosses boundaries and affects everybody. If it's something that you can dissociate yourself from, fine. But this is a case you cannot do anything about it. So we have reached a point. Other countries have done it. Rwanda has done it. Kenya has done it. Canada. So we are also trying to do our best so that styrofoam will be out of the system to reduce the quantum of single-use plastics that we generate in Ghana as a whole.
Okay. Mr. Hope, yenshe abai ewo special measures be as in strategies be specifically one laid down say that is how you want to go about it because you who say no this packs near the is part of Ghana, it's part of your lifestyle, no, it's part of system, no. And how are we going to roll out sa and shishaya a binding EPA for more person? Do you think say are feasible?
It is very feasible. We started this not now. The National Plastic Management Policy was published 2020. Even before 2020, there has been a lot of engagement and sensitization. And even last year in June, the president himself made a public pronouncement during the World Environment Day that plastic or styrofoam will be banned. So we have been doing a lot of engagement with the importers, with the manufacturers, the consumers, the food vendors, the hoteliers, the caterers, even at the market and lorry stations, education at schools, churches. So we have been doing a lot of engagement and sensitization. So it is possible and it is going to be done, and it will help all of us. The environment will be cleaner than before. Our health too will be safeguarded.
Right. Yanshen Free Hanum said there's been concerns from food vendors. Omo yusu packs ne more yede to enwani because net delivery ne ne ke ka wonyina na eno an yede ye alternatives bi wo hono mo a mode ba be substitute sa packs ya ye be ye free system ne mo because vendors no more complain say ade a aban ewo substitutive measures be they are fine, they are ready to welcome the move now. So say ye be ye free system no mo kwa without any alternatives be a woman so bet media survey aduane because will be order aduane from be a ye delivery ye order definitely as ye di good container muni de bro and I di good pack mo nti e de na mode ba be si we na na mu.
As I said, we have done a lot of engagement with the manufacturers, the importers, the hoteliers, and the consumers as well. There are a lot of alternatives. People are importing, people are manufacturing these alternatives. Some of them, and they are plant-based, they are biodegradable. When you look at them, you will even think they are styrofoams. They just look similar.
Okay.
But what they use to manufacture them are plant-based. They look like the takeaway pack, but the component there is the styrofoam. So there are lots of alternatives that have been developed. The only thing that at the moment, the alternatives are not in their numbers. For that matter, the price compared to styrofoam today is a little bit higher.
Okay.
But as time goes on, after the implementation, you will realize that a lot of people will now move into that area. So as the supply becomes higher, the price will definitely stabilize and the price will go down. We also have these takeaway parts, but what is used to manufacture them probably will be paper or plant-based materials that are decomposable, that are biodegradable, that are safe for human consumption, that you put your food inside, either acidic food, other hot food, other oily food, you are not at risk of anything that we can say can be caused to you. So there are a lot of alternatives that have been developed.
Okay, that's okay. Even though say rollout never start next year, but next year na nyame adom e won kwan chen here so ye di nkomodi. I mean madwene ho say bia nyame adom na say rollout ne start ya. Is there going to be a bia special task force be omube movie from one food vending point to the other, restaurant, hotels, special monitoring be so that we ensure say people are not flouting some measures.
There will be monitoring. However, I'll be rest assured that the industries are even welcome this directive. It is the people who import it, is they that manufacture it. So we are telling them that from 1st of January 2027, there is going to be a complete ban. Therefore, if you have some stock now, find your way to dispose them, use them, supply them, so that you don't have those things in stock. But after 1st January, if you still have some of this in stock, you need to bring them to the Environmental Protection Authority so that we can dispose them for you appropriately. So as for task force, there will be task force. But I believe the industry will comply. We've done it before. We have done it in the cement industry where they were lining the cement with plastic. But we gave a directive that they should stop lining it with plastic. They should go solely with paper, which is biodegradable. And they have complied. So we have a lot of trust in our industry players, and they are ready and they are welcoming. And it is not facing out today or tomorrow. It is facing out 1st of January 2027. Enough time, and we have started this engagement some years back, more than 10 years. We have started this engagement, and we have reached a point that they are more welcoming. So there will not be any serious situation. The only thing that we can talk about is those who pass through the illegal route. For those who pass through the port, before you can clear any product in Ghana, like styrofoam or this product, you need a clearance from the Environmental Protection Authority. So without a clearance, you cannot bring them in. So as for the legal ports, we are assured that it is not possible. Those styrofoams will still be coming to the country. The manufacturers, we know them, they will comply. The market, we are doing the education, and we are sure that it is possible. Everybody should come on board. Let's all do so that we will not have this issue by styrofoam being seized from warehouses, from markets. We will all comply, and the environment to be safe, our health to be safeguarded for all of us.
Right. Mr. Hope, we are really grateful for your time this evening.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Enti ebusuafo panyini ya wote say ye ne no edi enkomo yi eye Owura Hope Smith Lomote wono ena okọ Environmental Protection Authority APPIAH were Director of Human Settlement ena wachire ne nsemu na se woka abrofo no ntima membo ne tofa enchemu ya wode bae ne woka ne say ye no kore APPIAH for wo mo support aban decision na waye say nyame ya dom a January 1 2027 no wo mo ban styrofoam takeaway packs said ye medi kan chire mu no na wo se ne enti a wo mo etu sa na mo yi ene say sa de current ones ya ye use ye bigu ye Facebook page na wo hwe no takeaway rubber bags polythene ene sa ne ma ne nyina no materials na wo mo de manufacture sa packs no ne lifelong decomposing ewa enti ebi to from kra na se wo dispose a wo to twene wo use awie na wato atwene no ebetimi ada asase ne so a empro ebitimi kwadru 500 years ne ade enti decomposition no eden edema sa materials na ye de aye take away packs no enu nti no pese wo msesan se wei ensuo to a enu anetwe na akogu ye gutters mu na akogu ye drains ahodo mu na ama ye environment no ba bia choki chese efia ekoso nyina dodo no a polythene fa take away packs fa ene sa disposables ne sa ne manoma ne nyina no enu nti no wo se wo mu ye free system ne mu kra na wo mu hwehwe mu kra wo mu ye hunu se yetimi enya sa poisonous chemicals bi ewo ema placenta mu enti ya ade ye very very serious pa ena ye ka ne sa no enti se nyame ya dom na se wo a wo bisesi a wo yusu mu amode ton nuane ene ne kekeka ho ne nyina no wochire mu ese mutimi make sure say by the time afi we be ko na wie ye ne de na mo yusu de mo wo mo ho ne nyina se January so na woda so yusu we ni bia esesa wo say no unnim se de obe dispose ne so afabra APPIAH fo ho won be dispose e de amount kama na bibia atimi akonkan enti no wo mo mo manfo nyina so ate na wo mo ahye san hyehye ya APPIAH fo no e de banana wonim se so mpaka se de ye twa ha ne ye twa ha ye ne adwadifo ni bi di nkomo eye food vendors wo mo ton niema ni titru nuane dokonofo emofo se se take away ne de noa ne ye de nam krom ha enti san hyehye ya aban e de bayisan e na wo so wo hunu no wo nsam wo de to ya ma ne boni ba wa beidu enimu no ebini abusuana ye hye nim se yensa ebetumi akanne no ede amamo na motie de adwadifo no eka ye na ne manyina atimi akoye na ya body amamo abede yenti
mem kwa de a nka eye because ade na ehye ni asa tsegu take away ni asa akata so ni tina no odene emwa bai me de adwene no ba me ni obi so ba fo me so adwene tika me kwa mo da wuro ni nko akide kakra za ma 40 ase a o ma kwa ne ba o be request bi ahaban na first ni yusu ni ade no de be da wuro no koso de en hayen
ye adwene tonfo de emoa yen nkyere se me wo na obi afrɛ me sɛ ebi wo hia aduane 50 pieces ana 100 pieces o balekase ana sɛ o esofia na me mena na aduane no 50 pieces no a bɛɛ deɛ da me aduane timi akɔma nipa koro ɛwɔ balekase na sɛ esofia no yɛsrɛ sɛ ɛno deɛ wo mia pause mfa mfama yɛ ne nyinaa yɛ tete haban no first kra ne yɛwɔ kuro ketewa mu no na yɛka bɛnko koraa ɛnne ne yɛde kyekyere akyire na yɛse rɔba aba nti yɛmfa nto rɔba mu but sesi a sɛ ɔka sɛ yɛmfa rɔba no ɛka sɛ ahaban no ɛna ɛnyɛ saa adwuma no a obi si ɔpɛ mo ɛmo no bɛtumi de mo no agu saa bɔɔde ahaban no mu na mede aduane no akɔma nipa no anasaa na
ɛne metɔn dɔ kono so mo ntimi ma yɛ de foforɔ deɛ ne yɛde bɛto ama office no yɛ aduane yɛ kra to yɛ orders no so yɛ yɛ de take away na na ɛsɛbo wɔ mu sɛ woyi saa adeɛ no firi hɔ na sɛ woama yɛ adeɛ yɛde bɛhyɛ anaa adeɛ a megye di sɛ ɛboa ɛbɛma yɛn yɛ ho akyerɛ yɛ apa
na kyerɛ sɛ wei ɛyɛ adwadifoɔ bi ɛyɛ food vendors wɔn a wɔtɔn nnuane ɛwɔ Ghana hanom sei bi ɛna yɛne wɔ mu di nkɔmmɔ no fa saa new directive yɛ a aban no ɛde aba no ho na yɛka apɔmuden ho asɛm yi ma yɛnkɔ ahoma no so na yɛne Dr. Dan Beck Powell yɛne no enkodi nkɔmmɔ wɔyɛ medical doctor ɛwɔ Komfanochi Teaching Hospital na wɔnkyerɛkyerɛ yɛ nneɛma ni so kakra Doc anwumere yɛda se ɛmo akɔ aba ɛba so mpaka se so
Miss Madam say Grandma Jimmy Kwan so radio so
mo etiefo nso ejew so Doc anwumere nkɔmɔ a yɛdie no ɛfa EPA foɔ nsɛm a wɔn de abeto dwa ɛne aban directive sɛ nyame yadom a yɛsi afifoforo 2027 ni mu a 1st January wɔn bane styrofoam take away packs ya yusu yi any ade no wo bane because health implications no a cause nipa no ano odin na wo hwehwɛ mu a wo maye kakra kra kyerɛ sɛ etimi cause cancer ne niema bi etete sa na brofo no akwakoye science for terms ne ade enti yensa kan we de wadawuruma breaking it down ema yente ase ekwan asa packs ne rubbers ya yusu yi enya nsusuaso bone ewo yapomden so.
All right, I don't want to say. I will say, sir, and commodity with the tried EPA, she said, I'm a diabano. My pomodine phones up on the roads. I believe, sir, will be a few crown, but here, on the 8, if you're not a good plastic bag in me, and you, a bit my house. Now, the woman say, especially, styrofoam now, cano. I be a woman get styrene.
Okay.
Na styrene no. Not it free to be a friend of polystyrene. Big things are natural here.
Okay.
And the polystyrene no. And no. And there was styrene, but heat camera. They're breaking it down on the polystyrene. And a basana. Idea it's me. It's concept body no. Also, ni bebre or honoma. Juma, bra, body need to clear or more away from your body.
Okay.
They are an overgrow and that's a universal. A universal more, not a young controlling and I am not telling you the cancer.
Okay.
Now, styrene, the air and say, heat canna, you have to be from a friend of polystyrene, especially on the Ghanaian shit, styrofoam.
Mr. Mompacho, Momeshana, Mon connecting a back and famame. Mon connecting a back and famame. Dr. Dan Beck Powell, and Anna Yeninu AD and Komono. A few Kuran was and Komono say, Ya wo chiremu say, heat no a can't sa polystyrene noa, and na yenya sa reaction noa, yet toxic, eme nipane body no. Enti sane manema no nyina no apomde adwuma yefo no kura dika bohu dewura campaignia ka ho asem ase rubber bags ne sane manema no emwa enti doc asan aba homa no so yenkotoa yenkomo no so doc me are very sorry me say network no na ekate yenkomo no mpacho yentoa so.
Okay, enti styrene na or styrofoam disposable in him say heat canna a co live in mobile winning. Now we want to be breaking it down. Now, so compound never forming no. Body no cells na nkasa no. Yamia and say your building blocks the friend DNA. In the end, it's a say DNA no. It is a say DNA na DNA who's not check about the oh. We when you need to unify or we also intervene. If the person has a DNA say and they need it to cancer, especially liver cancer, cancer of the colon, and other cancers, but commonly the liver cancer, cancer of the colon. Now the whole point is that okay, it do or normally styrofoam and any other plastic bags in the the more now we use the expose your body needs more damage. At the back. It's a cost not to say cancer for now because you should more I will be and the brain or different polystyrene sometimes tester that styrene cause cancer no it's me who know the brain tissue now you have collapse you should
na doc ye ne EPA panyini di nkomo no kan bi fa ma placenta ho say one more investigations e kro ma yete say etimi omutimi hunu sa toxins no ne sa ne manema ne bi wo ma placenta ho. I mean this is very alarming. Enti aside cancer no niema nyarewa hodo ben sa and I will do ourselves a lot of good to prevent to say you be your contact with say you train your free using take away packs here.
That's a very good question. In fact, most of the styrofoam and polythenes they use they are recycled. And the plastics they have to train no. Almost time the car normal recycle and they contain heavy metals and other things. Na about body ni mo it means na mo moja ni ente unyi nsen a akwa no so ho enti to say teach you with doctors omo share mapum den ho ne awo ho no omo hu teach you they say you fit be congenital anomalies that akwa no develop or yam no e no be bre esi kwan a ontimi develop ye to go na ti and develop ye na koma and develop ye the kidneys and develop here. It is very, very, very dangerous. I want to say most of these plastics now, AGYA what could talk at our relation, and I think they are very good and to do also.
Okay.
Especially the heater cannon. It is a table bit here. I'm very best. Some of these styrofoam. Heat air cannon. And we are more dangerous scratching BBI.
Doc, yen shesesi sa paxi. Abeka ye ho. We cannot live to say the yenim the ekoso Ghana hanum say. That is what we do. Anapa ukotoko se koko na obenumo, tea na obenumo, benku, dokono. Just say aduane bia ni hono mu a yemfa nhye wrabam and all this aduane no aduane a ehye wokra wokọ restaurant and asa wokọ food vendor hono na aduane adwo a menyi ni say wokra no you want to buy enti for the meantime na yenya because man e ka say one more the new ones be ban eno na plant based. And it will not have any chemical reactions negatively on human body, no. But see, access to some plant-based materials, no. A DNA beye and a power sorry na pia bontin said you ube for the day, no. Dana a year for your beye, yensu ye bet me access on your money so.
Okay, so Kaka American say materials this is glass, ceramic, and even take away bowls here or they food grade. And no there. Heat canna unyasa reaction na a very release no man toxic never how no.
Okay.
And the your mother banning yamba and the master and say, try your very best, at least I got to a jania. Over dear group, BB or ceramic bowl, man, or glass. I thought I requested for food grade takeaway bowls. And no, I think say a shim can get the maba. I'm almost going to not be my so that they are higher. Because you know, be able to feel it, mapa.
Yeah, I mean, that's the reality.
There are disposable bowls that are food grade. I know they are containing toxic materials. I know they are used to higher. And that is what we have to push 7 days now. Even ya, no matter again, you go mama. So they are higher in the long term.
Doc, ye jawa mwakono. These days we see say packs no ebi mwa asesemu kakra. There are paper ones be a war out. A paper, but it's me holdi aduane very well. And also
right. So to say the American, there are food grade takeaway bowls. Paper takeaway bowls no. Paper no. At the end of the year, I would be who idea go into the production. If they are not harmful, it's maybe for example, within their store, be any hot.
Okay.
And no any shade.
Okay.
But the moment now, it do on my best store, no my hot no. A honum nasa reactions na beba. It's not amount of cancer toxins that it may lead to cancer. But apart from that, even more multitude, some of these compounds, it's missing our whole kind of way. The idea of the medical.
Now, so how about to say obi a heaty? If I say me will fear Adriana Najo and I want to heat. Microwave the would heating, would you prefer mostly microwave? No, so would you use microwave? There are times we use ceramics bowls, no, and there are times where we use rubber, as in rubber bowls. Ain't you know, and no, safe using rubber for heating and a safe.
You mean the plastic bowls? No?
Yeah.
So plastic bowls they do cold under. Our material was a microwave bowl. That's somebody in the hall. And the video you use is very safe. But if you want to microwave na and none. And if you're none as a chemical near DNA carcinogenic, they are a cancer. And I say a harmful. And not bit my house. Yeah, I check it. Bottom part of the plastic, no.
Okay.
Oh no. Now I share inscription that say microwavable heat can and hard and the bit may use. But until they are message for and say glass and as a ceramic.
Okay. Doc, and commona ye de, but a so. Emi say aheya na yebetumi de at the right time no yebe fro na ya sede nya bre na ya education na kwatire se de be ya but de wode ama ye nwumre no kra no eye enough at least yebetumi de atwetwa ye ho kakra nti me ye na wase ye nwumre se wenya adaje de ama ye.
It's me that say.
Okay. Ebusuafo panyine ya ene no ekodi enkomo yi eye Dr. Danbeck Powell or your medical doctor ewo Comfortnochi Teaching Hospital na enkomo yi ni nchemu ya wade abodi otim se chese krom ha na ye nam no ye lifestyle ni ye bibia na chese ya nhwe ni ya regulate ni ya na chese gone too soon kwan na so a ena ye nam no enti ye besre enu ti na sompa wo ho no ya ye di nkomo bi se ya nyabre na tie bi enye de bia na ye beye MPP na NDC na MPP de bi we no nyabre na tie bi na entimi emo because we ya ye kan obu okra wanya we ohu niema ye hiti wo fie ukoto aduane raba sesese ne ade agum chese ne kra haban no okwa ye bisawo opa haban ana ope raba ubon se nipa ne se ma me raba because haban no odi beba bedru ba bia wo kono na eho anwa ne stew no a egu wa ache ne ho ne bibia ye ho basa aye ho basa enti ama living no ankasa no obi apede ye beye easy ama no but wo ye de ye beye easy no so make sure say obeye very concerned about wapom de no na nyina timi aboa enti yemfa futuo emfa frim komo emu na ebeboa yempi medimafo heba center Dr. Time da so no I doctor say mimbisa osa wo de ye stroke anase sisi yade obu on mani kotodwe wa complainia wotena se ano waka agye ye boa wo pagya wansa no wetimi anasisie no ene kotodwe no emwa wo de ye asikyire yade diabetes ana mema na prostate tete mo hypertension kidney ho asem ene ehun kro ne banyina no me pacho medima for herbal center Dr. Time da so yade se wo kɔ no ma wo be hwe kama na wa ma so wenya wasomdwie enkran pokwa se mayira ɛhɔ no wo kumase abua kwa agogo ubehunu branch ne ba ko wo ho number wo be frɛ doctor wo so ye 0244 774282 0244 774282 and 0500 72 72 15 na wajo so anywhere din komo uria fo ni chemu 21st clinic e bia na wo de no enye malaria ne sa na manema no na mu de ne ye sciatica no efri utsisi ya sane ba woto ase ona ase honom no ne ade no yade se ntini no etwetwon enti ama movement akoni abakora na den de mawa sciatica yade no na ebo kokoko na yenhye ma ye examine oni yehunu se eye no na stress o se ye no dia ye de aduro be ye wo na sciatica yade no atu afiri wo so kora ebekɔ a emabiem 21st clinic branches ne de Ghana ha tokro biem wo benya bi enkran Tantra Hill Runabout de odru hɔ no mabon sɛ ye signboard no esi hɔ no kama ka kwan ne ho pɛɛ ene ya ma direction e bowura hɔ no na kokɔgye ayarehwɛ no wo muntimi hwɛ kama eno achi temaka so akumase sunyan techima ne nkranza takwa de brekum goso oboase babia 21st clinic ubehunu yen 0540311311 0540311311 eno eye 21st clinic me pacho weekendi programs ebekoso na Joss bread and pastries wo mo ho ne etu Joss hot cake no at wholesale price eye 3 Ghana cedis obo ho ma wo mpe stress e bia wo kra no wo ton dokunu ni bidada ba sa fe na okopa buro e dia begu nsuo mo ebu okra de beko nikanika no more ne emfe na ebubum ti se de ode koye obla yo afa obe dokunu no se chaka debi Joss hot cake de ya ye dokunu ne dada yese bra mu a mo ton dokunu no wholesalers no mo mbefa na 3 Ghana cedis pe ene kenke ne yebone 5 cedi ene yebone 7 ebi nso bone 5 ene 8 enti wo de wo hwese de size ne tie no a de wo pese wo de gie ebeye okay a o business ne betimi akono bra at 3 Ghana cedis pe ne betu bi ne koton se bi a ye bi na ekoso event bi na wo pese ye ma ye be serve kenke wase ne wo de order ne ba eno so ye be ye deliver nti ye nto ne baako se ma sori anopa me ko Joss hot cake ne makoto dokunu 10 cedis akodi da bi wo mo ne in bulk enti se event bi na ekoso a obetimi afre wo mo wo mechi akwan no ewo dome commercial bank nechi ho no mo a eho ena Joss bakery ewo ho an wo mo ye dokunu no enti me pa cho be frɛ 0256 068832 0256 068832 na wodem na woni wo mo edi enkomo sabre de no nsia bo apa ho semadu enti kase ebo no nto aso pa 2 no ye de esomo
eno eya fa atoso mienu se eya so atwere mu a anka no na ya twere se do not open to this page until you are told to do so eno na ye bie mo ede ama wo abusua ya chance ya dia awrawo sam ne ye de efiri wase na nsori nyina no na waso wakuma mu ede ama me abamu a kuma wadi mfinhia nkono enkre efiri honjumbire eba kyerɛ sɛ wakwa akoto gadansa amenem ama sabre wati nananam wonse do na enam saa so ma timamufu a wo ho kyerɛ sɛ na wo mu hu abofra no Obrempoong Junior ene ne din a wadi mfinhia nkono nti wo ma hwehwe ne soro no fom nyina na afọ no wo mu gro yakokɔ saafo efie sɛ bia wo ne wo mu bedi agro ene bia agora ye ne den wa mafie enso wo mu hwehwe nyina wodaye enam saa so ma nkɔbɔ aposifo ya wo mu wo sɛ ibe kwa ya mane eba ne sare wo mu nso antena ede wo ho ehye mu pa na no hwehwe mu no ena wo no mu ko hu sɛ eba mu ano dagadansa mena bi mu a eye obese abandoned pit ye ja wo ho na wo mo eyi no wie toto ba ko ne mienu bi ewo akire enyina da no ena abusua wo no mo eden kakra ekoro ya sesi yakata eba mu ano echi na fe ehwemu mapanso eguso koso wo mo hwe adekropotia enam so ma abamu a wo Bembo Atin Junior woti nananam wo nsedo ewo sehwibekwai ene ne mpotemu
afi yetoa ensem ne so ewo ensem foforo emuna mampani mahama odi aba kire se si ya me ne wokase odi na ni kire mu ewo mfimfin mantam mu na okwa akori dwuma kase pa ewo ho na wokoi wo gina mu ewo APAM APAM Johnson ne so won wo begina ho na wone manfo na wo ne nyina nyabotre adi nkomo na wokoye na wogusu a wokodo wo tete so wobekọ ne nyina eye 2-day working tour ena mampani wokoye ne wonfimfin mantam a ena no pe ya ena wo sha ase na hwe wo sha ase fi asen breku aya no wo asen nofo district no mu wo wie no de na ni kire mu awo wo hempopro ya won potam ho na kache ne ne kwabo nkomo kakra no wokotwa 24 hour economy market mu se wobetimi ana bibia timi akwankan na bra mampani wo du breku no omamode a eden nsem tudwa e kire se no kra ba wa ba nyina no eye ne yemu a enu nti na waba na ne nsem wo de tudwa no ebinie
wo edware ewom se woton ade awie na waton wo fish ana bibi na ompese ukofie na ukunu ka se adwoade na wo ho bonsa yo bathroom wo ho a wobekwa kodware kama no asesa ontade ansa no akodru fie se ne be ya wodru fie a wo ho be ya ahomka ama ukunu
wei aye mampani John Dramani Mahama ne nsem wo de tudwa ewo breku na wo free won wo de nani kire mu awo abra asebu kwa mankase wodru wo no ho so chip compound bi ana wa ya ho no wo bomode a ekotwa ho mpa ho ntoma kama se ne be betimi akoyie pa na afi ho na akra no free primary health care ene ma hodo a wo de be yeri nyina no wo bomode a edi bi cheye ewo ho a wo kan sem bebre eho anu wo chese
abra ya bontoa
eho anu ogusu a wo kasa no kasa o to ya no kasa bra ya bontoa entoa bonum no bra na wo di kan wo hyebo no wo hye manfo no ho ne bo titiri pa ni Cape Coast Castle wo na ni kire mu ho o kan sem bebre e wo ho no wo chese no kure wo man ne behwa pa na ne wo su oye bia no watimi aye ama ya kwansere dwumade hodo a wo ga na ha sei no yatimi akonanim
abra ya bontoa ansa ne to 2024 abato no me call Asin State College e hye omobo se yebesi dan foforo bi ama omo se ne be ya yebepeja college na kosoro enti afi ye budget mu ye de sikato ho ye be ye e blocks 30 I say Asin State College e block no ba ko ebe ba be si ho enti ensempa me de ba no na madam ase ne awa tu sonko abuma ye abra ye de bedru ha enti nyame hira ye nyina
wei aye mampani Mahama ensem wo nyina wadi tudwa bra wodru abra sebu kwa mankasi enim wo de no de na no ye asembreku eho na no nenam a wo kan sansem wo nyina wo nenam mfimfin ho enanu enana kina ni nyina wo bontoa e wo mfimfin mantam
Abusua ye toa kase bono so na ye de wakomai emrase bedwamusoafo ya wo hye enwuma ene adansi afensu nsu ahodo so eye Kenneth Gilbert J honorable na wode ato dwase aban enhyehye ne adwuma a wo ye ewo Odo River ni mu no wo mo timu na wo mo ye adwuma sade be ya nsuo to a enkoyiri mfa wo manfo ne yema ne ade ewo hono no empepi ya nsuo to Odo River ne de ekoso wo hono ye na nya ni kakra enti minister se nyame ya dom a December 2027 die na project no eye garage project na wo mo ye nyina no wo mo de aba na wieye na odensem we etu dwa wo mai mrasebedwem wa bra be kwai mrasebedwani wo no monyamfo rafo poku adu sei esori ye no wo bisa se project no ne budget ya aban na twa ede ato ho a wo mo pese wo mo ye no empempenso ben na akwakoduro sanse saa niema we nyina ka ho bie na mankran setene se si akwa no enya akono nya ni kan fa mandodo no api na sei ena onmonyamfo no ede tudwa.
Mr. Speaker, the Odona River drainage system is being implemented under the Garrett project. The drainage system commenced in July 2024 and comprises the construction of a 1.5-kilometer box culvert structure from the Nima Paloma to the Odo River for a duration of 18 months. However, due to poor performance, the contract for this work has been terminated. At the point of termination, there were still some ongoing work at critical stages which required immediate completion. The ministry therefore sought approval from the World Bank to immediately complete these critical works whilst repackaging of the project continued. These critical works include the following: demolish outfall wall of Odo Channel to prevent sediment buildup and flooding, complete construction of drain downstream to connect the Odo Channel, construct drainage section upstream that was stripped and demolished. Mr. Speaker, to enable us retender and repackage work, we require commitment authorization from the Ministry of Finance to continue the process. In the coming days, we will submit to the Ministry of Finance the document for approval to continue the process. Thank you.
Owie ye en woka se dredging works ya ye kan project ne ba ko Trobu constituency ho ye biaya hodo nsuo to eni ofanko barrier de a chimota kwan so ne ho saa flood no etasi wo ho ne nyina no ye saa project na wo moye e wo constituency mo se ye kasai asoya e show mensi kasem so wo release funds a ehu behia sempenifo de be ye saa project no na wo mo awie eno so sei en woka no
within the Trobu constituency and its surrounding area, particularly during periods of heavy rainfall. These flood incidents continue to threaten lives, property, livelihoods, and critical infrastructure, including the Achimota Ofanko Highway. Mr. Speaker, the persistent flooding at the Ofanko barrier, primarily due to structures constructed directly on major stormwater drains, obstructing the natural flow of water. The Ghana Hydrological Authority has conducted technical assessments under the Greater Accra Drainage Planning Study and has identified targeted interventions to improve drainage capacity and reduce flood impact. Mr. Speaker, as part of the 2023 National Flood Control Program, Hydro undertook construction works on approximately 150 meters of the downstream section of the Spot M drainage channel to improve flow conditions and reduce upstream flooding. However, the total stretch requiring rehabilitation exceeds 2.1 kilometers, and the remaining sections still need comprehensive upgrading, including widening, lining, and capacity enhancement. Mr. Speaker, my ministry stands ready to complete the outstanding works once the necessary financial commitment and approval.
Ene ya yekotie ye yeswafo a wo hye enwuma ensuansuwa ene adansie ensem so onmonyamfo Kenneth Gilbert J yamane boni na opon checheku ena edi we bae
wiase nyina eyes wo se enubone se ye ehudwadie ana se ufa edi akomu empo wudi ehon komokura no yenko na afi yemfentia saa na my Ghana nso abo ehon aboso enti na ewo adwumako ya ba mu efre se Narcotic Control Commission na KWAKU wormugu wonjumadie so ya International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Drug Trafficking ehun womoni abre pass on betwa bade ahwe no na emu na aba no nso nhye ya wayo sesei enwumasua hodo ne entete bia womone nam ho nyina aprapra akire sade be na yebetumi apra saa ne bone no ede afrim enti afidi a womodie no womo se nhyase yakura se wo kwa akoyobi empo se wode bia ka ho a abusua ane na wama wowira ho ne wadi ya se wode ho ekan na fe twon ho firi ho wei ayen hyehye aba ne de atoso na yewura haru na edusu wonya adaje ekasa ho pa kire se de womoni asi abre ne kwan a womofa so aso ano
to the warring drug menace in our country and beyond the zero tolerance for drugs in our school. I am suggesting, and I'm sure I'll give the directives after this ceremony, that the Director General of GES from tomorrow, in between the recitation of the national anthem and the national pledge, every student is made to say, don't start as greeting. Then the response will be to live in regret. So don't start it, then the other will respond to live in regret. In between them will be the silent word of drugs and its use. So I see the Deputy Director General of GES. Accordingly, you are tomorrow to issue this to all educational institutions because we recognize its negative impact on young people, their mental health, their physical health, and their well-being. I thank you all for your
yewra dusu wie de wormo ye wo suku ahodo mu a ebema wo motimi atwa abaahwe anoi ana de aswafo ni nyina wetua wo ma no Yura Julius Debra wono nso de abamu wono mo nhyehyɛ no to so sei
Government teacher can come and will not be held hostage by criminal manipulation. Ladies and gentlemen, while enforcement remains critical, lasting success will depend on prevention. The most effective intervention is often the one that prevents a young person from becoming involved with drugs in the first. That is a responsibility to all of us. Parents must continue to engage their children with honesty and care. Teachers must continue to guide and mentor the next generation. Traditional religious leaders must continue to promote values that strengthen communities and build character. Civil society must continue their effort in education, advocacy, and rehabilitation. The government must continue creating opportunities that give young people reasons to believe in their future. A young person with hope, purpose, and opportunity is far less likely to become vulnerable to such.
Ento amaya so afo nyina pani Yura Julius Debra ka se wie na na afisam so afo Honorable Muntaka Mubarak aso asem na hye bedwani wode we eto na oponchichiku anim.
Drug abuse and illicit trafficking. This year's theme, the world drug problem, persistent issues, new challenges, innovative response, fall on all of us not to only reflect on the evolving nature of the global drug challenge, but also to renew our shared commitment, confronting it with resolve and flexibility. Ladies and gentlemen, the illicit drug trade strives in the shadows of vulnerability. It exploits weak systems, preys on impressionable minds, and profits from human suffering. Its impacts extend far beyond statistics of seizures and arrests. It is felt in broken families, unrealized dreams, and communities burdened by insecurity and despair. For Ghana, this challenge demands unwavering vigilance as our economy expands.
Eni awuti ye oman ye fisam so afo Yura Muntaka Mohammed Mubarak triple M wono na ate se wo kasa wona na oponchecheku eni di sankomo yi
abusia na wo sansam kro na mu no ana eye pani a wono na eye Narcotic Control Commission pani pa ya wada no Brigadier General Maxwell Obuba Mante dwumadie na se no wo ho ana wo kire se no kra dwumadie wona ye bi pa na enura ne na nsampo ana wono ko hye ayi narcotics illicit drugs amanfo tete fo ho a womo nom wase kwa no womo kwashi bebre yara no poche kukura mpo no edi ne mutintiman pa na we womo kwashi no wabunda ase ano ana wobo ho obu ho akonta ade kire aman ni nyina ana wo kire se anya hwe kura no womo timi confiscate 25.3 million tramon kwa tablet no 2025 nko awo ni womo che ye no anka we nka amanfo be no mo asei kwa afei what they show one more team prosecute nipa nko wa ha ne adiosia num 165 prosecution and one more team aye and arrest nko amayen 20,217 one more year adwuma pa na mo mpene won ye wo kan nsem say
drugs that previously passed through our country are now being distributed and consumed here. That shift requires a stronger, smarter, and more sustained effort. What the government has done? I want to speak directly to this because it matters. The achievements I'm about to describe did not happen by accident. It happened because the government of His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama made a deliberate decision to resolve this commission and provide it with the political backing to act. Under this administration and with the invaluable support of our special guest of honor, the supervising minister, district operational commands have expanded from fewer than 10 to 77 nationwide, covering all 16 regions in the country. Approximately, we have received 27 operational vehicles for field deployment. A 100-acre parcel of land has been secured at the Komo traditional area for the establishment of a dedicated narcotic training school. This is a landmark investment in the next generation of narcotic professionals. That is why I'm interested in my students. Furthermore, the government of Ghana has provided mobile drug detection scanners to NAPO just yesterday. In collaboration with the government of the Kingdom of Netherlands, is undertaking the full replacement of the body and baggage intrusive scanners at the Accra International Airport.
We Brigadier General Maxwell Obuba Mante wan fa nsem no anso na adwumadie no na bi wo mpa no nti wo ka kire ho no se wo wade srade baako wo ka kire Ghana fo APAM DADAA AGYA asare afi be ma tenten gram wo ka kire wo ni bretu oba ene St Augustine mo kwa mo fo di fo ni manim na mo nko
na wo bia mfa no ho ne ntoma mmɔ na kwakofo ntoma no na wono mo ehye ghetto tinkers ho uduru nkokon so a body ho wo mo ehye Johnson so nyina no yenyi wo mu mpie na kwakofo adwuma no nyamre ma won.
I'm very passionate about you. You are the reason the pollution exists. Every cabinet we seize, every network we dismantle, every person treated is all because of you. Ghana's future is not negotiable, not on our watch. The families watching a son or a daughter struggle with substance dependence, you are not alone. We are building a system to reach you. Please seek help. Our trained professionals are here to serve you, the leader government and the president of this republic. His Excellency Don Dramani. The resources, the mandates, the political will that are extended to this commission are being converted into results. Arrests, prosecutions, leaders, partnerships are evidence of what's happening. And today, the arrest of the kingpin of an international drug trafficking methamphetamine is in the narco custom. Let us stand united in protecting our communities, our youth, and our nation's future from the scourge of illicit drugs. Together, we can build a safer, healthier, and drug-free Ghana.
We narco company pa Brigadier General. Ya wana dano General Max Obuba Mante and some we na no poncheku national and international reporter honorable MP for SOMPA on what by
ye kai was say hot bite kasi bosso and wodaso wutie SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra ye ra ehumasua ensemu kane kwanchefo no oda Commission for Technical and Vocational Education and Training TVET atnaye no ano Dr. Fred Chei Asamoah and wode ato dwase ensem bi ha pasa na nsem mu Ghana TV sector no kame akwa ese aban no enhye damfa nani nko honom kese sanse ye kasei wo ma shoto a kyerkyerefo eniema hodo se teaching training materials ayede emma se hono de ensa no nyumanti fili gadochi practicals na ho ne ye no enti sa training materials na ne ade ne nyina no wo mo nya bi kra no wo mo de ama TVET ntete na timi akonkan opanyine wo no kro ya na ye offense north mrahye bedwani na wo de ne nsam tu dwa no wo se ye kasei a kyerkyerefo ya aban afo mo any woman a woman nkyerade was good them teaching and non-teaching staff for no uko TVET institutions e wa Ghana ha nyina wo ya apem 1000 wo de institutions e wa Ghana ha teaching and non-teaching staff ni nyina ye 1000 o na chese woman kasa woman fall short wan kasa enti wo mo sre se ye kwa anim no aban ne enhwe no wonye ntotoye se de be ye o mampani John Dramani Mahama na administration wo metimi afa kyerkyerefo dodo no wa na TVET ntete na timi akonkan sanse eno o mine dachi papa.
Baumia doesn't want NDC government to be, but he want them to do the right thing. So when we can take it to the next level. And we say that focus, give some focus to TVET. We fix some workshop. We make some. We need to, because now how much is being given to TVET training as far as consumer board is concerned? Recently, we need teachers to go to TVET institution. How many was given? Just 1,000. Teaching and non-teaching staff. How can it be TVET? And the robust TVET you need is the second cycle TVET, which is equivalent to the German dual system.
Penyini ya yetene nken wono na kane no ye kwankyerefo a woda TVET atnaye no ano onukro ya ye offense north emrahye bedwani Dr. Fred Chei Asamoah
abusuyama oka north yide ma yemfa offense no nto ne yenko north Sleman Tifi Tamale ene yewura na Tamale assembly no this year woda no ene ne mpanimfo na se eho pa se ye ka adesuamu a wo mo de kapapa titru ne enkonwa wo mo tena so adesua de unko ono na asuafo tiafodwabinim fam na wo mo tena mpanimfo anya nkwada ne se hontie behia se wo no mai ka bi ebem afi ngumasua so ye no aban wo ye ne bibia fa ngumasua ho na wo de ntafere wa na ekwa ma wo ma na wire mfiri Tamale nti wo ma aboso a na se nhira nka nyame assembly no atimi atiti ne bowirem na no na wo yo ya de 1170 ede kwakọ mai sesei wasanso de 1450 asanso akwa ho na abakrachia wono ejina mu se meye yewura Abu Takoro wono na de sansemi eto ya mana bofo anim.
So last 3 weeks we were here to distribute about 1,170
dual dexes to the primary schools. And in that ceremony, I told the teachers that in a couple of weeks, we are coming back for the second phase to distribute at least 1,450 monodexes to junior high schools and then senior high schools. And that is why we are here to hand over 1,450 monodexes to Metro Director of Education to also distribute to the various schools within the metropolis. And let me promise you that by 2028, Tamale Metropolitan Assembly will be able to phase out the furniture deficit in the metropolis.
Wano na yeme edema adesha warmu Tamale owura abutakoro na yetraining kan.
Afi ye to ansam ne so ewo ensem foforo emu. Na maame kani Chief Justice na ya friend say Justice Gertrude Araba Esaba Saki tokonu. Ya wano say APAM anti ba kono no. Wano nanu a abanfoforo ba ye wo mo ye say wo mo yi no e de na free Chief Justice dibia no wa apam no. Sanse wode efin ade aka bench no. Eno achi kura mpo no bench no kura wote so kura o ma san apam na free bench no so. Wo mu ye ya wo mo de aka shai. Ene sire ba shai e de atwitwiri bench no so nyina say efin a wode aka ho no. Eye musu ofin a ebi kura ma ada. Eno ntida no wo Supreme Court. Ama wo kwa kire say ne Supreme Court ye won ka bi ma no ne ampanifo a wo mo aban no mo ye no. Sebi mpreduasa ene ne moja mfa kura. Wo kwa ya Supreme Court bubu ne so. Na eno say za ruling no May 28 afia mu ena eba za ruling ne ba ye. Na eba ye pe ene ya ye wo hwa ye nto anka asoro nso ye. Na anu kura mpo hwa ya na otwa wie ye na ayi akowasefo wo mo de wo ruling no e de ba ya wo mo kire say ho kura nso so wo ba ye no na ensam wo de beto wo manim nyina no e ade a wo mo abodi nyina to agu kama sansa ne nsam no sabe mpreduas wo msi nsuo nyina mu eni nyina so maami antere ho ase ene ye kasa sesi e ene ko na wie ye no na lawyers ya kane lawyer pani anu wa man Ghana mu ama lawyer pani Godfrey Ebo Adame wo ka wo mo ho no wo mo asa ko Supreme Court so wo mo ko review ene ya say review ben bi won say here tena hwai anano May 28 ruling na Supreme Court re ba ya wo bu asam ne gu ne so no wo mo say wo mo brofo a won tro ye ni won say ade no a breach of natural justice ma me no ma musa na no asampu eno mu bu asam ne gu ne so and have occasioned a miscarriage of justice na sanka emra no ene atantere no sanka ya ba penfo ankoma ma na pon chese wo mo miemi ansam ne so eno ma hojo no a antimframa se kura ebi nyina mu ema wo mo akeka kansam no de agunu so wo mo dwene ho amanti ase enti sese ni wo makọ no wo mo peso mo kire na no May 28 ruling na Supreme Court no ade baaye no Supreme Court na no kolo no a wo de kaaye no wan sanfa na no kolo no wan kase no akura wo no na kaaye wanwe na wo munya asem manenka na afei ni awo pe no wan fama no na wo ni awo pe no de gise bere no duru ha eno wo mo kwaye aputu to you ayuru mi afuru mi wo mo kwaka gu wi a ye be hunu ni awo pe we ye nsam a ma me justice Gertrude Araba Esaba tokono wasande akoko to no bio
Ebusia wo ensefofro emuno National Road Safety Authority NRSA forces esi ade wo ne Voxy drivers de nkomo no wo mo adan niemani kakra enti one person wo mo restrict Voxy vehicles no Toyota Voxy ehyen no wo mo restrict no to intra-city services enti intra-city no se ye de be nenam kronim se bia akra ha ebia ofri circle na okwa amasamai ana ufri circle na oba ache mota Accra to Dome Accra to Taifa eno an wo de beye na se ye betu ehyen se ye tu afri Accra akokumase ye tu afri Accra akotechiman akohefa ne de enya de a won be pene kurasan se safety concerns na ya de esese wo mo madwene ekoho no mo hunu se sa Toyota Voxy ehyen no enye safe for long distances aha eno kura kan ho bi na kwanhia dodo no a esisi wo ya kwan so no yewura Abraham Amaleba wono na ye Director General Emma National Road Safety Authority yentino.
We are still engaging with our stakeholders. I met with the Transport Minister. I met with the National Security, and they are all prepared to assist us. What we want to do is not to ban Voxy from our streets. We want to limit them to intra-city. We don't want them to go long distances. It is intra-city. And so I want to make it clear that we have not yet abandoned that plan because those cars are not meant for long distance driving, and that's why they are constantly involved in accidents. So we are still pursuing that option where we will limit them within the intra-city. We've also had discussion of the customs where, most of these Voxy vehicles are right-hand drive, and then when they come, they change them to left-hand drive. So there's a law in the Customs Act that says that they shouldn't allow those cars to come. So the customs too are going to activate that law.
Enti ora Abraham Amaleba no ntumu anamo ne wo mo enya sa denti na bypass wo bane Voxy no edi free yakwanso wo mo se bane de enya maso se total ban no wo mo nye bibi etisa nti wo mo da so ani stakeholders na edi nkomo se wo mo pese wo mo lebete no to intracity eti ene kumase na mabrepo junction ne nam sa area ho no mo bantama ne ade asa basi e de be ko long journey ni ade because e ne kura no problem wo ho dada still na e right originally wo mo ye no e right ena Ghana hanso de e send do no ayetwi no e left ne wo enti wo mo ba no ma betu every right ho no mo de ase left nti e no e basa akra na chese wo ma otaka na broni no wo no wonim de wo pese wo ye no wo de share right ene ye aba betu di share left si akra de ebinum kra de wo mo tutu seat no ma bo seat ne foforo asehye mtrotrofo no edwuma wo mo ya no enti e ye problem a e wo Ghana ha wo mo pese wo mo hwe no wo mo eyi sa ne no nyina afri ho ansa na wo mo e de sanhye ne beba wo mo de aba
abusua wo sa kai ho nsem ye no ma yenko kasoa de adehye e wo ho se kanko na ka ba traffic a che ne chi ha che nso no sabi enyanyame na aye we de wo mo mfa manyame o so wo mfa manipa o esa nse nsu etoye no ama ba bia sisi pa atwetwetwe abo no ne anwea no de aba begu kwanum ana nkwanhyam bi so si na no eno nso sa na digono a ekeka ayere nyina no sese aje kwan na boso ama sese emaka ntimi nko na ka ba eno na de hye wo ho se wo mu nsoro to no wo mo kira wo de ba bi te se atara old barrier ho ho sei enya sam ketwa enso na etoye no atwe nwea no de aba ana saa ne ama asam na asa kura no ye nkwanhia na esi wo kwan no so a kai ne nade bi da so ugu wa wo mbe so wo mbe se bi hwegu ye no wo mogya ho ebesi sabre obi anko ho eno na ama ene una nkaso akon no so oponje kunu yesa wo mo ko wabra wo mo bre je usi nante eno na wo mo boso sa sompa kase de mo no ye ho se ya na empanimfo no wo mo tie mo enti we munya boso pe se tie bia wo mbeba na wo mo aba be ye firi na fe ekwan no etimi ada ho na ba bia se ye yi anwea ne firi etima ensuo besene kro no so wo no ma ye ne sa abusu ama ye nyine no so na yempe bresu obi nom na nu achi no ye nsamra ye ba ye do bekwa kowie kase no
Point homeopathy clinic Ghana had the obi enim say ye prostate na baby omutibi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu ase a na ye endpoint homeopathy clinic anase ye kidney ye liver problem wo fa baby na adjujo na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a ba ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia ase wo di ne ho agro ase wo tonte ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic na ye moa wo ema ne mema mo pa wo ye endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mo dem fua yare bia infections bi ne wo ho anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na adjujo kidney problem prostate de endpoint homeopathy clinic kuma se obehu endpoint homeopathy clinic e wo kronoma boy hia e na akra hanso so de wo mu ginamu ankasa e wo spintex bebre friend share signboard no hudro na obusa sa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic obia e be kire for endpoint e wo 0244867068 and 0274234321 endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mu dem fua
SOMPA FM.
SOMPA TV Emma Aketiapa.
No kwasempa Emma Aketiapa. Abusia enche na ye wie kase na asafo kantanka ene bretoba o ma betrase e de World Cup no ehon nkomo nyina de ababa somo na sabre ya de yanko Manhattan na New York mfinfin ho e wa America ba bia mo bo World Cup no a na yanko fa nkomo de bi mfiri ho mfamra kwadu bofo a wo mo rape case against where Harvey Weinstein one na wo mo ebo ne kwadu se Harvey Weinstein on that so you one mo se e ba no se where we Hollywood mugu pa ane asini ne de what is in twase into what is in twam enti wo ya de pa nanso se sini twase a wote sini twam nyina no je se ne nsem no nyina kwaye se o ya wan ma ne kwan a wo ba yu sesi a o ma ne kwan kra wo na wan ma ne kwan a wo ba fa simple na so ma ne kwan kra de ne ye bobo na amanfo bebre e de papa hu kwadu e de akomati empanimfo bebre empanimfo aka ho asem aka eno na kwadubofo e bo no kwadu e wo empatam ho ne nyina kra no another sexual felony e wo New York ka ho ani California ni nyina bi ka ho ya mo bo no kwadu wo ho no enra e de babesi ne ya kwadubofo se ja wan ya ne kan ye wo mo ye discussions bebre wo mo ne accusers no nyina wo mo chese we woni me ada we wa we me we wa ye say wo mo any even the hairstylist any actor ya efra no Jessica Man wonu say wo chene we no ama no kra no wo mo nka ho asem nwi na so wo so no mo nyina kasa wo mo say ndokwa no wo mo nyanko bio wo mo ane kan ye wo mo na prosecute bio sanse papa no wo mo obi anfa na asem nko ne ba bie na bibia anye fine eno nti ni ya wota wo no wonu mu asan na chi ze ni onso baji wa home wonu wode na asem ba ya se asem no wona ni akire bi wa wo bokwadu wasem ne sen eno nti kwadu bofo so kire se die wo mo aye ho adwuma nyina awie wo mo aka ne o meka nyina awie Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg Jr. one church ye eno kire se wo mo se adwuma no wo mo ni akire bi eno nti wo mo so se kwadu bofo no wo mo je akire kwadu no bo a bibia wo mo je mu se papa afa ne se Winston won fa na ho nkodi na won kwatena sini twase wo bere kwa oti sini twam no na bibia enkoyie emfa ma no
kasie bono asi ensema hodo aye de baaye no na de edimu akote ne bi enese osoafo wo hwe nnwuma ene adansie nsem so yera Kenneth Gilbert J abo amane esanya me ya adomo a Odo River no ya wo mutimu ne eho dredging adwuma ne nyina no December 2027 de na wo mo awie kura
hojimbire eno ewo bibia ne anwea so bekwai empotem ho abamu akuma na yes onfie nkono obembo aten wakoto gadam se amene mawu sese wo makata akire na so hwehwemu koso mampane mahama na mfimfin mantam wo se na anu na ne kene ya wo kwa akɔhwɛ ne asi ho na wo kɔ breku asem breku anu wode na ne kire mu kura wa sebu abura sebu akwa mankase wo hwie pe wo ba kwa akodu kabukasu kepkosu ho na akwa akɔhwɛ ba bia na anu mori di wura kepkosu ensu akum nipa du nwɔtwe no akwa akɔhwɛ ho no so ho amane ye de brɛ wo
kane kwankyerɛfo anu oda TV tano Dr. Fred Cheya semwade adesɛde ato aban n'anim sɛ TV sector ho no ɛyɛ sika wo mode so wo masene mu akyerɛkyerɛfo ne ade no ɛwɔ fam kora enti adaworo ma aban no ɛnhwɛ no wɔn pagya niema mu sɛ de ɛbɛyɛ a ɛniema betumi akɔyie ɛwɔ sa sector ho
sada ana enwuma sua so ɛyɛ no wɔnom de hyehyɛ agu apono so sɛ de ɛbɛyɛ na enubɔne ya ewura ye institutions ahodo no ebetimi afiri ho na we international day ya wo mode kai illicit drug no na ewura harire dusu ene mpanimfo no ebo won mo hyehyɛ a wode agu apono so ye no ana Brigadier General Maxwell Obuba Mante wode tuja akyɛ sɛ adwuma de wo mu ye bi pa na emum Ghanafo ya amomoa won ene ye kwa ama no ne nso ye kopie mu ɛwɔ Manhattan District Attorney I friend say Alvin Bragg Jr. na kache wase papa friend say Harvey Weinstein ya ni bebe bebre bon kwadu se papa no wote sini twase enti wote sini twam ya wo che manfo ma e ma no ewi wo mo saa wo mo ma kwan ene wo mo ma kwan ni nyina no ache wo ma we wo mo no wo mo wa we wo mo ni nyina se ye wo mo ano we wo mo wo mo ni asi asem na tibio enti na so ma Alvin Bragg was say adwuma no wo mo de asi papa e friend say Harvey Weinstein won kwatena ne sini twase na won twa ne sini
Yedia Seda Emma Medima for Herbal Center, Dr. Time Daso Enono, 21st Clinic, sciatica expert Koho, Neko Jaya Resapapa, Jaws Bread and Pastries, Nakofa, Jaws Hot Kinky, Aba Ejaman So, Nakasia Boye Free Sompa 106.5 FM Accra, no, Yede Ebro, Ewo Sompa Kumasa 93.1, Adamfopa Radio for Bidoma 100.7, and so Fabi, Sompa and Kranza Techiman, Enafe Sunyai, Kingdom 106.1, Ewo Mankesim Oko. Womunyina efa ensem ni bi eto pete ye www.sompaonline.com ko hormo a obetimi anya bi na wakenkan ye no mo ye de kase bono ebremu ADWOA ASARE enimidin mene
oduman kuma chiame OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH ye ne yapam no triple A man APPIAH